Okay, we're in exercise set 37.3. I do recommend you get graph paper to do these problems over here. Certainly I'll go through the method that I would like you to try to do this, but I'm going to be looking at an accurate graph and then talking about the method that we'd like you to try to do the problem. So we'll start with number 1. It says it's figure 15 on page 577. So I got this figure over here. The way we'd like you to attempt the problem is as follows. So I would certainly write down what they want me to graph. They want me to graph a relationship, and the relationship is 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. My recommendation is to pick values of x and y that make this a true statement, but please stick with easy numbers. So what we'd like to do is put a table down, an x and a y. I like to select an easy x, like for example, x to be 0 is easy. Not always, by the way, but in this case it is. And if x is 0, you'd be left with a very simple equation. You'd be left with 2y is equal to 6. Now, certainly looking at that, y is going to be equal to 3 then. All right, so that's 1 point. We strongly recommend you graph that point on graph paper. So where's that point going to be? Well, 0, 3, 0x, 3y, right over here. All right? Another easy point to select, at least in this case here, would be y is equal to 0. And what would that give me? That would give me 3x is equal to 6. Well, clearly x has to be 2. I'd plot that point. The next thing we'd recommend you do is take a ruler and draw a line that goes through those 2 points. All right, let me do that. I got my line now. I can put little arrows in that line indicating goes on forever. And we're done. That's all we have to do. Again, I recommend you get graph paper. Thank you.